Hey everyone, we are here in South Chandler touring in McKinley Glenn community by Cachet Homes. We'll be touring one of their move-in ready homes. It's called the Aspire floor plan, a beautiful 4-bedroom home, guys. It is 3,610 square feet, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, Kamusta Kapabines. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. If you are brand new to my channel, I go around all of the brand new construction communities and I showcase model homes as well as their move-in ready homes. So guys, do me a favor, if you're in the market for brand new construction homes, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all the brand new construction communities here in the greater Phoenix area. And hey guys, if you're planning to move here in Arizona, I would absolutely love to help you. I've already helped numerous buyers move here in Arizona, and I would love to be a part of your journey. So guys, again, today I am here in South Chandler in this beautiful community, actually an exclusive community. There's only 22 homes here in McKinley Glenn. Okay, so very small neighborhood, but like really nice. Okay, we are here in South Chandler, right off of Chandler Heights Road. So today, again, we are touring the Aspire floor plan. It is their smallest floor plan, still really large, to be honest with you. It's 3,610 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. It does have a den, guys. Stick around to the end of this video. We'll talk about, what's around here, grocery shopping wise, entertainment wise, what's coming to Chandler, Arizona. And all that other good stuff. Okay, guys. So with that being said, let's get this home tour started. Okay, so this is home site 9. There's 3 different elevations for each home. This is a 4-car garage. So you have a 3-car tandem on this side and you have a solo one on this side. This one you can only access from the outside, which is pretty standard and what I see typically in all brand new construction homes that has like kind of that third bay solo garage. But yeah, this side is a 3-car tandem. This is what's standard in all of their homes. So it's nice and paved here. So that's really nice. Again, what I had mentioned earlier, this is only a 22 home site community. All of these back rows are sold except for the one here, lot number 21, I believe, which is this lot right here. So what's behind that is just all just farmland essentially. So I just peeked over that wall and it's all just someone's land there. So really nice there. Lot 21, that one's still available if you guys are, curious. Okay, so going into this home plan, again, this is the Aspire floor plan. Looking at 3,610 square feet. We are currently in the foyer area. Really nice, very wide foyer area. They went with this LVP flooring. Again, if you're not familiar with LVP flooring, scratch resistant, water resistant, very easy to maintain as well. But I really love, the tone of their choosing here of the floors. So as soon as you walk through the front door, you have this nice den area. They staged it as an office. This could be, essentially whatever, fits your needs. This could be another entertainment area. Okay, this could be your kids' play area as well, but very large area here, okay? Continuing down, so off to the right-hand side will lead you to some of the bedrooms. Off to the left-hand side will lead you towards like the laundry room and the garage. We're going to start off of the right-hand side. Okay, so just right around the corner here, you do have a nice large bedroom. Okay, so that's really awesome here. And this bedroom has a 3/4 bath with a walk-in closet. So great for the guests, great for the in-laws. It has a nice walk-in shower there. Okay, and then they have a nice walk-in closet here as well. So a lot of space for them. And this is a very large room. Definitely a king-size bed could fit in here. Maybe you could put like an entertainment system here as well. But nice area. Okay. Continuing down on this side of the house, you have 2 more rooms here with a full bath. These rooms are a good size room as well, but they're not quite as big as the one that we just came. These have your standard kind of not walk-in closets, but your standard sliding door closets. Still really good space on both sides. Still good closet system they have here. Okay, some nice shelving there. You have a nice linen closet here. And here is your other bathroom. So double vanity sink here. Another walk-in shower there. And here is the other bedroom. So these two bedrooms, this one that I'm in now and the one that I just came out from, they're like about the same size, same kind of closet system there. And then the one just around the corner there with its own bathroom is the larger one, okay? So we'll come around here in a little bit, but here is the beautiful kitchen. So the kitchen is amazing. Okay, if you love to entertain or if you have a large family, you kind of have this double island type thing, and this clearly has plenty of seating, right, to entertain guests, you know, for your family, for Sunday night football, you know. But here is the kitchen. So a lot of cabinet space, you know, for storage. They went with a nice, beautiful quartz countertop here. Exposed hood, gas cooktop as well. You have double ovens, microwave. So Thanksgiving's coming up, you know, double turkeys here, guys, or dessert turkey. But beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Okay. Here is your pantry area just right over here. Okay. And then if you continue down here, here is your half bath. So here's the half bath. And again, this is like coming from the foyer. So there's the front entrance. You know, your den right around here. There's the bedroom. So here is your half bath. And you have another kind of cloak closet here, utility closet. I would call this like a command center, or, you know, you could put your drinks here, wine, mail and whatnot, you know, but just right off of the kitchen. And then here is your laundry room. So your laundry room has already a primed utility sink built in, has nice cabinets as well, but large, really nice laundry room. On this side too, here is your 3-car tandem garage. Okay. The flooring here in the garage is nice and finished, but just around here is kind of like that third tandem garage. Okay. Here is your tankless water heater here. Really nice. Here is your plumbing for the soft water loop, and you also have the utility door that you have access to go on the outside. So if you have like, you know, extra toys like a Can-Am or, you know, dirt bikes or anything like that, a lot of storage space, because you also have that other one on the other side. You can make that other one into like your home gym, but really nice area. Okay. So we're going to go through the kitchen again, because the kitchen is just amazing. Okay. And it obviously is just opened up to everything. So, you know, entertainment wise, you know, everybody, you know, you definitely feel a part of the party still. You know, it's not closed off. So that's really awesome. Okay. Dining area, eating area, just right off of the kitchen. Okay. You have your center sliding doors. We'll go out there in a minute, but as you can see, it's really nice and large. And here is your living room. So as you notice too, the ceiling is lower here. Still like, I believe that's like 10-foot ceilings here, but then it obviously goes up another 2 feet when you get into the main living space, into the eating area. So really tall ceilings. Absolutely love it. Love this fireplace, gas fireplace too. You know, definitely a statement piece here. So that's really awesome. Okay. So really, really good size main living space. Okay. Right off of the kitchen, so just around here, separate from everybody else, is your primary bathroom. Okay, so primary bathroom, you have a lot of cabinets, double vanity sinks, a lot of countertop as well. Okay, here is your walk-in shower. In your soaking tub. Some built-in cabinets here for your towels, toilet area. And check out this walk-in closet here. It is massive. It's like another bedroom, honestly. So, nice and large space. If you really wanted to, in the other model home, they have like this island here right in the middle. So, you know, if you just need more space for the ladies, you know, that's an option. Or you could put like seating area there. And here is the bedroom. Nice tall ceilings here. Clearly you have a lot of space. They have these accent chairs right at the end of the bedroom here. And, you know, you could definitely have a TV entertainment system just like so. Put a nice little mirror here, strike a pose. But really large and beautiful primary bedroom. Okay, so that is right off of the kitchen. So, you know, if you want a late night snack, that, you know, could be a double-edged sword there, right? Separate from everybody. But if you want a late night snack, it's so easy because the kitchen is just right off of your bedroom, right? So really beautiful home, guys, right? Large ceilings. Let's go take a look on the outside. Okay, so center sliding doors. This is really nice. Okay. You have a extended covered patio area, so really awesome. You could put seating area out here. You could put like another dining table out here for entertainment, for seating area for those barbecues, and you have a nice large lot. Okay, we'll talk about the lot size here at the end, but really nice large. Definitely can, you know, put some turf back here. You could probably put a pool back here as well. Sport court, something like that, but really large lot here, guys. Okay. Here's a side yard here. A connection for, like, if you wanted to put a TV there as well. Okay, but that's the outside. Okay, so that was the home. Really nice floor plan. Stick around. We'll talk about the HOA and all that other good stuff. Okay, guys, so that was the home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. So let's go right into the HOA. So the HOA here in this community, you're looking at about $225 a month. Okay, again, this is an exclusive community, only 22 homes here, gated community that covers also the common areas. There's also seating areas as well around the community. So that's what that $225 cover. Okay, average lot size here for the homes, you're looking at just over 10,000 square foot in lot size. So pretty large, good size homes. Okay, so pretty large and good size square footage on the lot size. As far as build out times, there are still plenty of lots still available where you can build your home and choose your upgrades. Okay, this is obviously a move-in ready home. So the builder here has already put in about $100,000 to $160,000 worth of upgrades into this home. Okay, but if you are looking to build from the ground up, guys, you're looking at about a 6 to 10 month build out time. All right, so just keep that in mind. Typically, the buyers here in this community, they are averaging about 10 to 20% of the base price on upgrades. So clearly that will be and vary between buyer and buyer, right? But that's what they are spending, okay, guys? So again, this home right here, this move-in ready, about $100,000 to $160,000 of upgrades, all right? As far as landscaping goes, as you saw in the back is just bare, so you know you could definitely make that just a blank canvas for you. So be your own Picasso there. The front landscaping, however, this will be gravel there, so and you'll have like those small brushes as you saw in front of this move-in ready home. Okay. As far as incentives go, so if you went with the preferred lender, which is OnQ, you're looking at about a $20,000 incentive which you can use towards like rate buy down or pay for your closing costs. That's for move-in ready homes, okay? If you went with a future build, you're looking at about $15,000 in incentives. Those are subject to change as well, guys, but definitely make sure that you understand the incentives at that time, because if you're watching this video, it could have changed already. Okay, guys, let's talk about South Chandler. So South Chandler, Chandler itself, if you are looking for a place with a great school district, Chandler is a #1 rated school district here in Arizona, so that is awesome. There's actually Santan Elementary and junior high just right, like literally 5 minutes away. Okay, that's rated 9 out of 10. Also, what's around here too, if you hang a right on Chandler Heights, right out of this neighborhood, you have Bashas, okay? Bashas is one of the grocery stores here, all right, one of the local grocery stores. And in that same complex, you have, you know, a pool store, you have Ace Hardware, you have this really awesome pizza spot as well. Across from that, you have Rite Aid, and then there's another area across from that where you have like F45, you have Jersey Mike's, you have barbershops, you have bubble tea as well. So that is all just literally like 5 minutes away. What's also cool about this community, you are literally walking distance to a farmer's market. So if you love going to farmer's market, you literally just hang a right out of this community and is just a few houses down the road, guys. It is really awesome. Always packed in the weekends. They're open on Saturdays from like 9 a.m. to I believe 12 p.m. So definitely check that place out, okay? Trader Joe's just opened up here in Chandler as well. So that's huge. That's about 10 minutes away from this community, okay? And then also if you keep going down and you take a left out of this community, you have Safeway there as well. There's Albertsons. You are so close to everything here, guys. Access to the 202. So going to Phoenix, or, you know, going to Mesa, really easy, or Gilbert as well. I absolutely love this area, really quiet area. My family loves this area too. I'm sure you will as well. Okay, but that's pretty much it, guys. Again, if you have any other questions about this specific move-in ready home or this community itself, you could definitely go ahead and check them out online, or just definitely reach out to me. And I definitely would love to help you out on that, okay? There are a few different builders here on Chandler Heights Road. All right. You also have Tri-Point Homes. Their Treeland community is just right up the road as well, still on Chandler Heights. And there is a new builder coming here just right next to Treeland by Tri-Point Homes. The name has not been put up yet, so I don't know who the builder is, but you know, all the fences are going up, the sidewalks are going up. So I'm pretty sure they're going to be building the model home at least here very shortly, so definitely stay tuned for that. Again, guys, hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. It'll definitely help this channel a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.